Hello everyone, my name is Arafat Choudhury. Before I getting started, I introduce to all of you the slide presentation and the practical demonstration has some little bit difference. Just seeing these slides only, you don't really understand what this really do, what it really have, so much complex to understand this. But if you really stick with me around 2 or 3 minutes, then you can easily understand what I am going to say to all of you. Just seeing these slides, we already knows that our topic is already set for Bangla machine translation. What kind of activities is done by Bangla machine translation? Bangla machine translation can translate from one source language to target languages. For these type of languages, the searching area is a compulsory task for translation. For that type of task, it will convert it in intelligence-based lexicon system analysis, which is helping us to figure it out how it work and how it work for. On the other hand, machine translation can translate properly through these systems. So, what kind of problem statements we are really have? In this project, we try to develop a translator which can give us the correct output based on input. On the other hand, it will increase the exactness accuracy into Bangla to English language translation. Machine cannot able to translate properly all the type of translations, all the type of sentences, which is the problem. We try to solve it, and our team members will also working with it. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanvir Ahmed from Group C-7. My part is to describe 4 different types of machine translation and their advantages. So basically there are 4 types of machine translation. Number 1 is rule-based machine translation, in short RBMT. Second one is neural machine translation. Third one is example-based machine translation, and last one is statistical machine translation. So first one is rule-based machine translation. Rule-based machine translation was developed several decades ago and was the first practical approach in the field of machine translation. The advantage of RBMP is that a good engine can translate a wide range of text without the help of large bilingual and monolingual software. Second one is statistical machine translation. Statistical machine translation basically work by training the translation engine. The advantage of statistical machine translation is that it eliminates every language pair and provides linguistic rules. Third one is example-based machine translation. Example-based machine translation is work as translated by analogy. A number of existing translation pairs of source and target sentences are used as examples. The advantage of example-based machine translation is that it is now deployed in all over the world. And last one is neural machine translation. Neural-based machine translation based on the paradigm of machine learning and is the newest approach in the field of machine translation. Advantage. The advantage of NLP is that NLP system continuously learn and adjust to best output. This is why the approach has only become viable in recent years. So that's all of my part. Thank you everyone.
Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Renesa Khatun and our project name is a review on Bangla machine translation. Now, firstly, I describe the impacts and constraints of our project. The first point is economic impact. The system can be cost-free and also available in the website and as a mobile application, so it is very helpful to them. So there is an economic impact in our project. Then social impact. As Bengali is the native language of most of the people of Bangladesh, so it is very helpful to them to translate Bangla language to English language. Then environmental impact. There is no environmental impact in our project, and the political impact is also there is no political impact in our project. Manufacturability. The system can be built in large number as software. Sustainability. Bangla to English machine translation is sustainable and the durability is depend on various purpose. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Saha from Group C-7. Now I will talk about disadvantages of Bangla machine translation. There are two major disadvantages of Bangla machine translation. One is lack of superior exactness. We can't entrust machine translation system if we need superior exactness of the official documents, arguments and so on. But we can get rid of this draft of a translation, then work on it and correct for exactness. And another problem is inferior translation quality of the text with ambiguous words and sentences. Machine translation system is based on formal and systematic rules. So sometimes it can solve ambiguity by concentrating on a context and using experience on mental outlook as a human translator. So these are the main disadvantages of Bangla machine translation. Now I will talk about the accuracy test of our machine translation. We have collected 1000 Bangla sentences and find the accuracy test of these sentences. We have tested the 3 translators. First we tested on Google Translator and the accuracy result is 80%. Then we work on Web Translator and the accuracy test result is 65%. And another translator which give result is minimum 70%. So this is the accuracy test result of our Bangla machine translation system. So this is all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Naidul Islam from Group C-7. Now I'm talking about my presentation slide. My part was to comparison table and goals. So what is the background literature? We read some conference paper, report and other journals and find some relevant information related to our project. So then we make a comparison table for that. So the comparison table, there are some comparison table in our slide. There are 10 papers we read on, and there are some tools related to their papers, and there are their machine proposed machine system and the corpus they used for the papers and so on. So now let's move on to the goals and objective. What is the project goal and objective? To know this question, we need to know 3 interrelated queries need to be identified. So first of all, what are the project objective and what are the output from the project and what are the criteria for assessing the project success? To know this, we need to ensure successful alignment. Following issues need to be considered: organization objectives, individual objectives and team objectives. So what are the organization objectives? Organization objectives mean a firm or company they wants to achieve from the project, and individual objective means we individually want to achieve something that is individual objectives. Our goal is to improvement the translation system of our machine translation, and we also like to fix the non-finite verbs and gerund participle, and other one is subject and objective information by being generated around. So it is in today's world nowadays. There are many information is being generated in various fields. However, since most of the sentences in English, it remains out of many people who don't know the correct meaning of English. Our machine translator can easily help them by converting the sentence Bangla to English. They can easily learn the English sentences easily. So that's all of my part. Thank you all.